Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Postman and going straight to the workspace where the collection lives. Once there, make sure you are signed in if it's a private collection, because deletion applies to your account. Next, expand the left sidebar and locate the exact collection name you intend to remove. This avoids accidental deletion. Also verify workspace context, personal versus team, since permissions and visibility differ, and that will determine whether you can delete it now. Once you've found the collection, click the three-dot ellipsis on its right to reveal the action menu. Choose Delete if you're ready, or open Manage Collection to inspect requests, folders, and linked environments first. Make sure there are no saved examples or monitors referencing it. Deleting without review can break shared workflows. If it's team-owned, check that you have appropriate permissions. Otherwise, request owner action. When satisfied, proceed to the Delete option to trigger the confirmation. Now confirm deletion in the dialog that appears. Postman often asks you to type the collection name or click Confirm, so read prompts carefully. Once deleted, look in Trash or the activity feed to recover an accidentally removed collection. Restore quickly because trash retention may vary. If deletion fails, make sure your account has delete rights, sync is complete, and that the workspace isn't locked by an ongoing sync. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in. Then try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.